Hello and welcome to our submission for the economics. Today we are excited to present our project aimed at spreading financial literacy and raising economics awareness within our community. So let's get start. Okay, so this is the login interface. I have already signed up, so here I will log in with my credentials. You can also login with Google. This is the main interface or our virtual store. Virtual store is an e-commerce website where user can sell and purchase the products. It includes the feature of be a seller on the virtual store. So when we click on this button, it will redirect us to the submission page of the application of the user. Yeah, this is the seller page. So when user will fill the form and submit it, the owner will get an email, and after confirmation, owner will send the email to the user with his login credentials. And when user will log in with his seller credentials, he can add product of his choice. So let me just walk through that also. Let's move to the main feature of our website. Okay, the main feature of our website is financial literacy. This is the product page. So you can see. Okay, so here in the left bar, you can see the financial literacy option. So if we click the option, so this is the literacy page here. This is the literacy reward. So if user will read an article, it will give him the 10 points. If user use a calculator or set a monthly budget, he can get the points. And based on these points, his level will increase and he will get the discounts on the time of the buying. Okay, these are the articles. We can add more. And this is a financial calculator. He can calculate his monthly budget by category about. This is the saving goal calculator, and here he will get to know his budget summary and credit card interest calculator, expense breakdown calculator. He can use it according to his choice. And there is the shopping budget calculator. If he wants more financial advice, he can reach out to the production team also by sending them the message. Okay, so this is the first main feature of our website, and if we move to the second main feature of the website, which is an amazing feature, this feature will allow the user to buy the product in installments. So I will, so let's just choose this product. So this is my total. Okay, if I add 1 2 3, so it will increase accordingly. Okay, so here is the order summary. As you can see, I have the bronze level, so I got a discount of 20 with the 5%, which is $21. So here, this is the feature. So when we add the budget, I have to add my budget. So just for the testing, I am gonna show you. This is the $457. So if I $500 is my budget. So if I proceed to checkout, it will simply redirect me to the payment page. Here I can pay through my credit cards or debit cards, or I simply can pay cash on delivery. And when I place an order, it will be placed. So, but for the testing, I am gonna show you how will it work. So in case of 457, if I enter my budget less than this total, so this is, let's say, $450. So and now if I proceed to checkout, it will be redirected to the installment options. So the logic is when the user enters with the low budget, so he will have the option to pay the amount in installments, and if the budget is equal or the higher than the total amount, he can simply just do the full payment. So in installment option, uh, the user can select what type of installment he wants. He wants 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. So if he will, if I just proceed with installment, he will tell me to please select an installment plan. So I will select okay, and if I will click 3 month, and then I will proceed with the installments. So here I you can see you have selected a 3-month installment plan. You will be recharged for the first installment. So this is my first. So I can select my cards, or I can simply do the cash on delivery. And here you can see I have the bronze, so I got 5% off, and this is my total. And if I don't want to proceed with the installments, so I will simply proceed without click like this, and he will redirect it to this payment page, and here he can do his normal payment. Thank you for considering our project for this hackathon. We believe that by spreading financial literacy, we can make a positive impact on people's lives and contribute to a more financially aware society. Together, we can make financial knowledge accessible to all and help build a community that's better prepared for the future.